Now they see now see how they trash the leaves and it's going into that compartment direct. Now they see Ghana people, Nigerian people, now they see Mugo people. They gonna see how every year we go they do their thing. No matter the type of stick, they see everything is trashed into pieces, particles. Now they see this is how country works and people are busy. If you check what time is it, 6 o'clock in the morning. Men are already cutting the flowers, the trees, trashing it. Safety is another thing. You can see their ears are covered. Their ears are covered. Everywhere is covered so that the sound doesn't break their eardrums. This is what we are talking about. Learn from people and do what is right. You do no harm to anyone, do good to your people, you create job opportunity. Look at the way it's been trashed. Instantly, as they cut it from this tree, like this, they cut it from the floor, they trash it direct, either to the farm, they clean it immediately, and they are not wasting time. You can see what they are doing. There is no magic, no rocket science. It's very simple. It's a human being doing the job and doing it perfectly. Enjoy yourself. This is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. And learn.